Hey guys, TJ Houston here with the Pixel Connection doing an unboxing video for the all-new X100V. This is the newest, latest, and greatest in this line of cameras, so we wanted to show kind of what's inside the box. We also have a separate video where we go out and shoot in the streets of Cleveland, going over some of the features. So if you're looking for the new specs or some example images, those will be in the next video. Let's get started. So inside the box, we'll open up this flap, and the first thing that we see are two QR codes. So if you've never been a Fuji, if this is your first Fuji camera, or you want to know a little bit more about the camera, read the manual first, that's what this first QR code is going to be for. The second here is the Fuji Camera Remote app. This allows you to go through and make changes to the settings on the camera or transfer files over, all from your mobile device. So these are two very important QR codes. Inside, we'll have a manual, and I want to pause here to let you know this is a pre-production camera. So some things might change with, like these QR codes, for example, might be different. Some of the contents may be a little bit different, but in talking with our Fuji rep, the only differences are there will be a manual and there will be a battery charger in the box. So here what we see is our Capture One card. So this Capture One card allows you to download the Capture One software. If you're not a Fuji user, it's worth noting that you do get a copy of Capture One in order to bring in those files from your Fuji camera, make any edits to the RAWs. That's what allows you to do that, and that comes free in the box. Opening it up even further, we're going to notice the first thing that we have, and that is a USB-C cable. USB-C is a new standard for this camera. So if you're an Apple user or an Android user, Apple computer or Android phone user, you probably are already used to the USB-C cable. So if you already have a car charger for your phone, that'll also work for this camera. Or if you want to go super lightweight and not worry about a bunch of chargers and cables in your Mac user, you can just use that USB-C cable to plug into the camera and you're off to the races. The next thing we have here, this is this latches onto the camera and it allows you to add the strap that's in the box. But I did want to call to your attention is this little black plastic tool. And what this does is it allows you to separate the little metal pieces that connect the strap. What you do is you use this tool to separate it so you don't have to worry about chipping your nails or breaking your nails. That's what that little tool is for. It was kind of a mystery for us. We called our Fuji rep and we realized that's what that's for. We do have our Fujifilm strap in the box. And then finally, so we'll take the camera out here, move this over to the side. Sealed for your protection. So here we have the actual camera. So a couple of the features that I'm really loving about this camera are the upgraded lens. We have some side-by-side comparisons from the previous version to this one. It is a night and day difference. This is a huge upgrade to X100 users. Also, we'll notice this little dial on the top. This is a lot more comfortable than the previous version. You pop up, you can change your settings, and then it locks back down, so you don't have to worry about accidentally bumping it. Another thing that's new is the screen. So you'll notice now we have a flip out screen. So now if you have those low angles or you want to shoot above your head, you now have that ability. And then if you'll notice, it goes super flush with the camera. So you don't have to worry about it protruding anymore. It still keeps the design cues of being a small, lightweight camera that you can throw in your pocket. For more specs, more details, and some actual comparisons between this and the previous version, check out the next video that we're going to be putting out where we actually hit the streets and talk about some of our favorite things about this camera. TJ from the Pixel Connection, I hope you have a great day.